You're gonna love the 2020 Jaguar XE. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Enjoy the thrill of performance and the lush pleasures of premium luxury in this exquisite XE. Distinctive style, desirable amenities, effortless power, and motorsport soul are yours in this sensuous, athletic sports sedan. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, power passenger seat, premium sound system, satellite radio, heated mirrors, fog lamps. Feel your passion for driving unfold in this seductively powerful XE. Treat yourself to a road test today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.